Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install code blocks on Windows. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type code blocks and press enter. You'll get this first link, codeblocks.org. It's an official website. So code blocks, it's a free C, C++ and Fortran IDE. You can write your C, C++ code. You can test it, debug and execute in this IDE software. So to download, on the left hand side there is a download tab. You need to click on this link, then click on the download the binary release. So this software is available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. If you scroll down from this different links, you need to select the code blocks in which min.gw is written. Okay, you need to select this one, then click on the link sourceforge.net. So they have hosted their setup files on sourceforge.net, this website. So it is going to automatically download the setup file. Download has started. We have selected this mean GW setup because it comes with the GCC compiler, which will help us to execute our C++ code. Once the download is complete, you need to click on open link. I'll minimize the web browser. You will get a pop-up, select yes. This is going to start the code blocks setup. Click on next. I agree and click on next. This is the default directory where code blocks will get installed, and click on install. See, it has created the code blocks desktop icon. So it is going to ask you, do you want to run code blocks now? I'll select no because we are going to launch it from the desktop icon, and click on next because the setup has got completed, and click on finish. So over here you can find the desktop icon of code blocks. You can double click it. It is going to launch the code blocks IDE. So it's a free open source and cross-platform IDE because this code block software is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So it is showing current default compiler is GNU GCC compiler. We'll click on OK. You need to select no, leave everything as it is. If you want your C, C++ files to be opened by default with the code blocks application, you can select this. Okay, I'll just select no right now and click on OK. Now this is how the interface of the code blocks IDE looks. I'll click on file, new project. So all these different projects you can create and work on with the help of code blocks IDE. So we are going to write and run C, C++ code. Okay, so I'll select console application, click on, once you select the console application, click on next. Okay, I'm going to select C++, click on next. Let me give it a name, hello world. Okay, folder to create project in, where you want your project to be saved. I'm going to save it on desktop under my projects folder. Okay, then click on next. See over here it is showing compiler GNU GCC, then click on finish. Okay, now on the left hand side there's a workspace you can explore. Okay, we have created a project with the name hello world. In sources, if you expand it, you would be able to find your C++ file with the extension .cpp. Okay, it's a main program and it comes with the default code, that is hello world. Okay, and it is going to return 0 because it is just going to print hello world on the console. So to execute it, click on build and run. So keyboard shortcut is F9. If you press F9, it is going to build and execute this code. Okay, see, a console has opened and it has displayed our text hello world. That's how you can write your C++ programs and execute it. Okay, and you can also see the execution time. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.